Is your Windows 11 running out of space? Learn how to quickly free up storage by deleting temporary files. Stay tuned for a step-by-step guide to reclaim valuable disk space in just a few clicks. Hit the Windows key, then open the Settings menu. Select the System section, then navigate to Storage. Click on the Temporary Files section. Checkmark all the files you want to delete, then click on the Remove Files button. This should help solve the problem if this didn't do the trick. Let's proceed to the next solution. Press the Windows key on your keyboard. Type Disk Cleanup in the search box that opens, and click on the result to open the app. Checkmark the files you want to delete, then click on OK. After, click on the Cleanup System Files button. Select the files you want to delete, then click on OK. To confirm the changes, click on the Delete Files button. If this attempt didn't resolve the issue, let's move on to the next solution. Use the following keyboard shortcut: Windows plus R. In the Run dialog box, type %temp%, then click OK. Select the files you need to delete, then click on the delete icon, marked as a trash. Press on the Windows key, type CMD, then choose to run as administrator. Copy and paste the following command, then hit the Enter key. Now all the temporary files that don't require additional permissions will be deleted. Thanks for watching. If they work, hit like and subscribe.